For me, and I think most people, groceries fall under essential spending. But the amount we actually spend on groceries, it hurts us. It's so much. Sometimes I look at my grocery bills and I ask myself, who am I feeding? Who is eating all this food? When did I spend this amount of money? What did I spend it on? And the questions go on and on and on. I'm sure I'm not the only one that's asked these questions, and I'm sure you're asking them too. We need to get on top of our grocery bills. Hello beautiful people, I'm Ronke Odewumi and welcome back to my channel. On here, I talk about all things money, business, career, and living a bulletproof life. I share information and tips that can help you make the right choices and decisions so you can live that boss life that you desire. By watching my videos, you have already taken a step in the right direction. So don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of the good stuff I share on here. Today, I'm going to be talking to you about groceries. A few videos ago, I promised to talk about how to keep your grocery bills down. But I then took a pause to talk about investing now. So I'm back today to talk to you about how to keep your grocery bills down. For me, and I think most people, groceries fall under essential spending. But the amount we actually spend on groceries, it hurts us. It's so much. Sometimes I look at my grocery bills and I ask myself, who am I feeding? Who is eating all this food? When did I spend this amount of money? What did I spend it on? And the questions go on and on and on. I'm sure I'm not the only one that's asked these questions, and I'm sure you're asking them too. Especially now that we are in somewhat difficult times. People have lost jobs, people have been furloughed. A lot of companies have gone into administration. We've heard on the news recently that Ryanair is making 3,000 jobs redundant. So this topic, I think, is particularly applicable now. We need to get on top of our grocery bills. When I say groceries, I mean food, drinks, toiletries, cosmetics, the good stuff we buy day in, day out. That's what I mean by groceries. And today we are going to get on top of our groceries. I'm going to show you 10 powerful tricks that will help you bring your grocery bills down and put some money in your pocket. I'm all about putting money back in your pocket. So let's get started. The first thing you are going to do, or the first powerful trick I'm going to show you, is called the shopping list. Or should I say, the comprehensive shopping list. Yes, you guessed right. The first thing you need to do is to make a comprehensive shopping list. I don't mean a list of all the things you need. No. I mean a list of all the food, drinks, cosmetics, and toiletries you would normally need in a month. Everything. Not just what you need or what you have or what you think you might need, but everything you might ever need. Put that down in a long or good comprehensive shopping list. This list might be difficult for some people to make. You might struggle to write down all you need, or you might need some pointers, something to kickstart your comprehensive list. Not a problem at all. You can connect with me via email or through any of my contacts in the description box. And for a small token fee, I will share with you a template comprehensive list to get you started. So, first thing first, make yourself a comprehensive shopping list. Now that you have a comprehensive shopping list, the second thing you need to do is called shopping your house. You're going to treat your house like a mini supermarket. You're going to go to your pantry, through your fridge, through your freezer, and you're going to tick off everything that you have, or should I say, cross out everything that you have from your comprehensive list. That comprehensive list we made in number 1, first action. That's the one. You're going to take around your pantry, your fridge, and your freezer, and you're going to cross out all the things that you have that is likely to last you another 2 weeks or a month. So if it's something that's already running out, a bit of toothpaste that you have already squeezed to the end, you don't cross it out. You cross out only the things that you already have. So your second step is shopping your house. Once you've shopped your house, it's time to move on to the third action, and that's called trimming your list. To trim your list, you are now going to cut out of that comprehensive shopping list all the things that, even though you don't have them in your pantry and your fridge, you don't need them for the next 2 weeks or a month. So you're not going to buy them. Or perhaps the person that needs them is not around, your children are in college, or everybody's at home now, but the person doesn't need them right now, then you cross them out. You trim the list down. Now, you have a comprehensive shopping list. You've shopped your house. You've trimmed your list. The next thing you need to do before you actually head out to the store is to eat. I know you're wondering, why do I have to eat? I'm just going to dash to the store very quickly and be right back. Or I'm not even hungry. I'm not a breakfast person. No, you do need to eat. I have found out that when you don't eat, or when I don't eat, and I go to the shops, I spend more. In fact, I have spent £100 more than I normally would just because I was hungry. Friends, my cousins, family members who I have told this thing have confirmed to me that they do the same. A lot of people do it. We respond to hunger pangs by buying more food. It's the same way you serve up more food when you're hungry. That's the same way you go to the shops. When you're hungry, you're going to shop more. So step number 4, eat. A good breakfast or a good lunch will get you ready for that shopping journey. In addition to preventing you from responding to hunger pangs and shopping more than you normally would, eating gives you energy so that you can do a quick and efficient shop. So now you've eaten, you have your comprehensive shopping list, all trimmed down, ready to go. Get on the bus, get on the train, get in your car, and head out to the shops. Now that you're at the shops, you've got your trolley, you're at the door. Hold on. Step number 5. It's time for you to set your timer. I know, this sounds really weird. I'm just going to dash in and dash out very quickly. I don't need a timer. I'm here for just 15 minutes. It's a lie. You're not going to dash in or dash out. The stores are designed to keep you in, to make you shop longer. The temperature has been carefully controlled. The music is ambient. The shelves have been scientifically stacked for your viewing pleasure. Once you are in, you're going to just keep dragging things off the shelf. The longer you are in the shops, the more things you will buy. And by the time you get to the tills, you can't put things back on the shelf, so you pay for them. But the trick is to set a timer. So at the door, set your timer. 45 minutes, 30 minutes, I'm going to dash in and dash out. And set the timer if you're really going to dash in and dash out. Because it's not a clothes shop. You're not going to go in and try stuff. You're buying them because you want to eat them, or you want to use them in the bathroom or the kitchen. So you've got your list you're working with. What do you need to waste time for? Even if you are going to the open market, you can still set a timer. Once you are at the market, set that timer and get going. A lot of us are brand snobs. We go to the shops and we buy specific brands. We tell ourselves, oh, we only buy Heinz. Oh, I only buy this. I only buy that. I don't buy this because it's quality. But what I've found out is that store brands, which we are ignoring, are actually good value for money. A lot of things are being made by stores in their own brand names, and they are cheaper for the stores and cheaper to you because they pass the savings on to you. But a lot of us don't buy store brands because we doubt their quality. But it's not true. I would suggest that you buy store brands. Don't be a brand snob. Over time, the more things you buy in store brands, the more you learn what works for you on the store brand side and what doesn't. Personally, I like some store brand cereals, store brand bread, store brand milk. I also like store brand cleaning products. They are cheap and they do the job. So the next time you go to the shops, don't be a brand snob. Go for something that's store brand. It will save you money. That's 6 points down. We're on a roll. Let's go on to the 7th point, and that is buy multi-purpose products. A lot of us, when we go to the shops, especially for cleaning products, we buy a little thing for the bathroom, another one for the bathroom mirror, another thing for the bathroom floor, something else for the kitchen floor, something for the kitchen sink, something for under the sink, something for the ovens. No. You've got 8 bottles in your basket, all doing the same thing. I would say buy a multi-purpose cleaner that would do the whole bathroom. And that way, instead of getting 4 different bottles for the bathroom, you are getting 2 multi-purpose cleaners. They're usually cheaper too. You can take it a step further and buy a multi-purpose cleaner that works for both bathroom and the kitchen. Just check the labels. They always say if you can use it for both the bathroom and the kitchen. Shop the clearance shelves. So a lot of stores have something called clearance shelves. And these shelves usually stock products that are close to their sell-by dates or their due dates or one of those things. So a lot of people avoid them because you think, no, they are for people who are not doing so well, or it's crap, or it's going to expire soon. But there's a trick to shopping the clearance shelves, and it's to look for things you can cook on the same day. So on the day when I'm shopping, if I pop by and there's a clearance shelf, I'll go check for anything that makes sense to me to cook. If I find a stir fry pack that's going to expire in, say, 48 hours or the next day, I'm cooking stir fry that night. Friends, shop the clearance shelves. They're usually on sale because they are close to their due date. One quick thing, please don't stockpile things from the clearance shelves. There is a reason why they are there, and it's because they are close to their due date. So if you stockpile them, they will go bad in your fridge and it will be money down the drain. Just the same way a lot of us are brand snobs, a lot of us are also store snobs. We only shop specific stores. We say things like, oh, I'm a Tesco girl, oh, it's Walmart or nothing, ShopRite all the way, oh, I don't go to those stores, I only go to that, oh, it's Asda for me. No, rubbish. Try out different stores. Try out the Aldi next to you. Try out a Bino. Try out a store that you don't normally shop at. You'll be surprised what you find. Everything is not cheap at every store. Some stores carry cheaper wine, and some stores carry cheaper vegetables, and some stores, their frozen aisles are cheaper and yet give you the same quality. So I always say shop more than one store. I personally swear by Aldi wine. It's great value for money. The quality is fantastic, and yet the prices are great. So shop different stores. Don't restrict yourself to just one store every time you do your shopping. Today, you might shop a particular store, and then the next time you go shopping, you try a different store. And the final point for today is restrict the number of times you go shopping. So don't go to the store every day or every other day. Don't pop by on your way back from work or your way back from going out. You go to the store once a week or once in 2 weeks or even once a month like me, and the rest of the month you ignore the stores. You have no business there. So I go once a month, I do a heavy shop, and that's it for the month. If you have to top up during the month, you go with a piece of paper that has the list and you top up. But preferably, I don't even top up. If you're running out, stick a piece of paper on the fridge and keep writing a list of the things that need topping up. That list will help you when you are making your comprehensive list the following month to shop. So remember, don't go to the stores frequently. Make it twice a month, once a month, or maybe once a week. So now you have 10 powerful tricks to help you bring your grocery bills down. I'm looking forward to hearing how you're going to use these powerful tricks I have shared with you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like it, to share it with your friends, to drop me comments. I love hearing from you guys. I can't wait to hear how you use this trick and what your experience was like. Until my next video, you take care of yourself and live a bulletproof life. Bye.